Blockchains have overflowed the money display, and the monetary environment is loaded with isolated individual little tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Subsequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token depends on making itself genuinely one of a kind, beating the freethinker crypto scene, with an exceptional spotlight on giving energy to cryptographic forms of money. FTX has arisen as an original trade in the digital currency fragment. FTX Token offers dealers a novel platform that rouses their reliability and offers power-pressed highlights that are unbelievable in customary digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Money, and others. Before we start with FTX Token Cost forecast, how about we really look at the FTX Token Outline? FTX Token, the group, supported by a group of devoted experts who are involved with their commitment to specialized mastery on blockchain calculations. FTX token specialists work nonstop. The organogram begins with Chief and Pioneer Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and Kusina Nader. FTX Token, the excellent attributes. FTX Token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a productive venture. Merchants are certain of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more famous as CoinFTT. FTX Token offers adaptability and speed as well as viewed as dependable and reliable. Counting a specially constructed FTX token in cold wallet arrangement, full outer support of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry-driving caretakers, FTX token has a gauge of industry devotees. Incorporation of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities, as well, similar to withdraw, store, and easy-to-use exchanges, are only a portion of the many elements FTX token comes furnished with. FTX token, the corporate social obligation. The non-benefit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistent as the standards to be executed in the whole environment of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX establishment has teamed up with associations across the world to outfit the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from person-to-person communication for noble cause incorporate the human association, the open artificial intelligence, the give well groundwork, and unselfishness. FTX token is a trailblazer in high regard, primarily on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for launching a local token FTT, it has become more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. All things considered, as far as profit from venture of last year, Ethereum beat FTX. FTX token, authentic information and specialized examination. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This cutting-edge innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the customary strategies of exchanges on the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients overall and is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary standards. The idleness that at first played for the FTX token is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as dealers. Throughout recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a critical cost increment. A habitually and distinctly noticed characteristic of FTX token cost in the digital money market is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. As an innocent contestant, this crypto resource is yet to build up some decent forward momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its inborn potential. FTX token value expectation, market opinion. Presently, the cost of FTX token stands at $1.80, with a market cap of $591,356,997 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,898,020. The coursing supply of FTX tokens in the market is 328,895,104 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource classification. The cost figure specialists are very hopeful. In view of our conjecture framework, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The FTX token cost guess for 2023 is 14 cents, independent of its reception according to specialized investigation. The FTX token cost confronted heat till Jan 2024, going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back. FTX token cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024, $1.18, best case scenario. In view of our cost estimate, the FTX token has a promising future with a hearty market cap. It might get barely influenced, however bulls will be back, and throughout the following 5 years, the cost of FTT tokens might skyrocket to $325.41. This could assist with pushing the cost to the pinnacle. However, FTX token didn't outflank during the last year. The vast majority of the contenders of FTX token, as well, didn't hypnotize the dealers by the same token. Just to be coupled with hopeful evangelists, assuming we consider that FTX token cost will arrive at the moon before long, and furthermore keeping the early elements of FTX token being not difficult to store and innovative headway of appropriated web utilization for versatility and capacity. This could drive FTX token flexibility rate and increment its cost to around $10 toward the finish of 2030. FTX Token Value Forecast 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token speculations a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune, however, just pitiful, dropping to $1.50. Nonetheless, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this disorder for speculation exhortation. FTX Token Value Expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is normal that FTX token will run the crypto diagram with an exhibition of cost fixed at $4.50. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows FTT can possibly support itself in the market of computerized resources. FTX Token Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by our drawn-out forecasts, 2025 could check the benchmark year as the FTX token cost is anticipated to outperform $5 definitely. With mass reception, FTX token cost is assessed to stretch around $6.75 max by 2025, an ascent in cost and interest for the digital money more than ever in the crypto market, transforming it into a wise speculation. FTX Token Value Expectations 2026. FTX token kept its force on the up and up. Afterward, it will support the market opinion peculiarity definitely from the outset of this current year. Brokers and financial backers will begin wagering on long-haul FTX token cost development, following it intently, uplifting, expressing that it could leap to about $8.50 toward the finish of 2026. FTX Token Value Forecast 2027. According to the news and cost estimate, the coin could arrive at the most exorbitant cost of $9.05 in 2027, while the base cost might be around $6.49, showing an extraordinary ascent in esteem when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Simultaneously, the token might exchange at a normal of $7.77. FTX Token Value Forecast 2028. A great deal of FTX token ventures are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of undertakings will have been finished. Subsequently, an overall bullish value forecast of $9.88 gives FTX token a decent value. FTX Token Value Expectation 2029. In 2029, the FTX token is supposed to have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $11.25, $12.55, and $13.